Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, well, welcome. Thanks for stumbling upon my channel. My name is Chelsea. If this isn't your first time, well, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. It has been a hot minute since I have done a video, probably a couple months. And that's because I've been focusing a lot of videos on my YouTube channel that I do for work. If you don't know, I'm a radio DJ, so I do a lot of videos for there. And that's been kind of taking my time up a little bit. I mean, that's just an excuse. I really have the time. I just haven't made the time, and I'm trying to make the time. So thank you for coming back and stopping by and saying hey. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be testing out, unboxing, review, first impressions, tutorial, the whole nine with Laura Lee Los Angeles, or Laura Lee off of YouTube. Her new collection called Nudie Patootie. This is a big honker. I love this. And we are going to go ahead and test this out, try this out, do a tutorial, first impressions. Honestly, I have no idea what the tutorial is going to look like. We're going to figure it out as we go along. I don't have anything planned out. I don't, but I figured as I swatched them and tested them and went through it, that then we would come up with something together. I mean, not together, really it's by myself, but I'll come up with something as I go along and maybe I'll be inspired. So if you want to see my review, first impressions, and a look using the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette and liquid lipsticks, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get rolling. So I'm gonna break this bad boy open. I did get the entire collection. This is the palette and the 3 liquid lipsticks, but honestly this box is everything. It's just like beautiful and like simple and minimalistic and I love that about it. Wha-bam. And this is what you get. There's a little info card, and then there's the palette, the 3 liquid lipsticks, and then like Laura's information. I'm debating what I want to go through first, but I think we're going to take out the palette first. This is the palette. It's actually a good size, and it's actually quite heavy. When I opened this up, I did open it up before when I first got it in the mail, and my first reaction when I picked up this palette was, oh my gosh, like this is pretty heavy. I like that it is all pretty much monochromatic. I mean, the Nudie Patootie is just glossy compared to like the Soft Touch palette, which is quite matte, and then her little logo here. But I like the monochromaticness of it, with the exception of the little Laura Lee Los Angeles. And on the back is like this rose gold, the LL, which is another one of her logos, and then the information. And there's just like a little bit, I like the side too, a little bit of that rosy gold color with the Laura Lee LL, and then the rose gold here. So you get, of course, a little mirror. Oh no! Well, we just lost a thing. Oh no, that's upsetting. I don't even know what happened there. It just like fell out of the pan. Well, that happened. That was au naturel. Oh, that's so upsetting. Well, that happened. We're gonna be really careful with the rest of them. That was one of the metallics. Oh, well, you get 14 shades in the palette. We're just moving on like that didn't happen. I'm gonna do some swatches of this real quick on my arm, and then I will show you what they all look like all in one, and then give you my thoughts on how they feel. So I will say some swatched better than others. Based off of just swatches, right now they're hit or miss, but swatching doesn't do everything for you. It's really how they perform on the eye, so we shall see. So next up we have our 3 liquid lipsticks, and I'm trying not to turn it too much since I have an eyeshadow shade down here, but we're gonna pull these out and swatch these as well. So we have Jaybird, which is, I got the name on here too, yeah. So there's 2 Jaybird. I don't know what Jaybird means in relation to like being naked. Maybe I'm missing a thing. Comment down below. But here we go with Jaybird. So that's a pretty color. There's a bit of like a dusty rose undertone to it, so that's nice. They also smell like green apples. I don't know if I like that or I don't like that, but I want to see how it dries down. That I'm really curious about, is how it dries down. I'm trying to get these out of here. Ugh. We got Nakey. That's just, this is definitely probably, I'm never going to use this color, I could tell you now, because it's very light and I am very light as well. So super light nudes like this don't look good, but we'll see. Maybe I'll like it. Again, super strong apple scent, but oh no, I may gotta mess myself. This is drying down pretty well, the first one. We'll see how drying it is. We can get on the lips and also rub it and see how that wears. Then we have Topless, which this looks like it's like my kind of nude. I love this shade. It's got like a pink undertone to it. It looks really pretty, but not too light. Yes, this is going to be a go-to nude for me, just shade-wise. We have Jaybird, Nakey, and Topless for your nudes there, and I like them. So now that we are a little bit closer, I'm gonna go in and do a little eye look with this, and I think I'm going to go in with Undressed first. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that shade. Ooh, it is really dusty. I didn't think we were gonna get a lot of pigment from this one just based off of the swatch alone, but it's a good amount. Like, I'm getting something on there. Yeah, it's actually kind of a really nice transition for me because I'm so fair. So I'm gonna go in with Bare next and do like a pinky look. I'm feeling pinky right now. Again, really dusty when I'm tapping into it, but it doesn't look, I mean, I just used a really fair shade, so I don't know yet, but it doesn't look like there's fallout so far. We're gonna just keep that to our crease area. Oh wow, that is super pigmented. I'm gonna grab another brush just to kind of blend that out. I honestly didn't expect it to be that bold, but it's pretty. So we're going with a rosy gold look today. That's definitely happening. I also like to do is go back in with the first shade I used to really blend it in a little bit better. I'm gonna take this smaller brush and go in with Butt Naked, and I'm gonna take that shade into my crease just to darken it up a little bit, but that's why I'm taking a really small brush to really get more precise. And again, they are really powdery in the pans. Also, excuse my messy brows. I haven't had a chance to go get them done. Just gonna grab a little eyeshadow brush. It's actually an e.l.f. Yeah, an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. Just drench it. That was a lot. That was probably a little excessive. And we're gonna go in with Topless first, and I'm gonna cover that on my entire lid. Wow, these definitely like activate with water, or with like liquid, I guess. Yes, this is, I probably have a lot on my brush. This is gonna be good, I can already tell. Yes. So definitely these shadows, get them in, like, wet your brush, and then they look so good. I'm actually gonna go back in with a littler brush, and we're gonna go back into Butt Naked. Kind of buff this out a bit, just to add a little bit of more darkness to my crease. And actually we're gonna go with Nakey, which is the really dark shade, just on the outer. Wow, this is so pretty. I really love this. I actually am super happy about this. Alrighty. And we are going in with Jaybird, just in the center there. Oh yes, mama. Girls. Alright. Holy heaven above. That is beautiful. I'm gonna take the shade, the brush that we had, Topless, couldn't think of it for a second. We're just gonna keep working with this until we get like the perfect blend and the perfect mix of that shade in the center. Everything I said in the beginning, I take back about these shades. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe Y3. Where's my Fix Plus? I'm gonna wet it down. I really don't want to do anything really harsh on my eyes, like for liner, but I do want to line it a little bit. So I'm just going to use Nakey, which is the really dark brown shade. Wetting down this brush, and we're just going to line it a little bit. Yeah, I just want to give my eyes definition, but not necessarily any actual like harsh line. I'm actually going to do this on the bottom as well. And I'm also going to go in with a little bit of reveal. I'm going to go in with my current favorite mascara, which is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir. And if you're like me and you get some stuff on your mascara on there, you could just take a spoolie brush and scrape it off after it dries. I'm just taking this little pencil brush from Sonia Kashuk, and I'm gonna go in with some of this from some Stark and just hit the inner corner. Top it off with some Topless, which was the third shade we swatched earlier. So this is our final look. I love it. I think it looks really nice. I think the shadows performed really well with the exception of Au Naturel. R.I.P. So I'm kind of disappointed about that. I would definitely say with the metallics and with the shimmers, wet your brush. It does wonders for it. I think the mattes did pretty well. They actually did better with the brushes on the eyes than they swatched, which I really liked. I did use most of the shades on my eyes, which is kind of nice, so I got to really see how they perform. This liquid lip feels really comfortable on the lips. I think it's a great formula. It doesn't feel super drying. My lips aren't sticking together. It feels good. Also, I don't smell that apple smell that I had before, so that's good too. I'm really happy with the way it feels on my lips, and I love this color. Again, I don't think I'm gonna use, I think it was Topless. What was the third one? The second one? I keep forgetting. Nakey. I don't think I'm going to be using Nakey. I think it's a little too light for me, but we'll see. You never know. What do you think? Have you tried this palette out yet? What were your thoughts? Comment that down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye, guys.